Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mehboob Ali Shah, and on this channel you will learn about most useful websites and Android applications which can help you improve your lives. Today in this video we will be talking about a website which can help you to practice speaking English if you don't have a physical partner. So this website can connect you with people around the globe. You can communicate with people. You can improve your spoken English with the help of this website. You can not only practice your spoken English, but you can also practice other languages if you want to, because there are also other languages options which can help you to improve your other languages as well. So I am talking about a website named Free for Talk. This website has a lot of functionalities and it has many advantages as well. There are two ways if you want to improve your spoken English. You can join someone's group on this platform, or you can also create your own group. But before joining someone's group and creating your own group, first of all, you must have your Gmail account. Without having an account, you won't be able to log in. You won't be able to participate or to speak with someone. So first of all, you must have a Gmail account. If you have a Gmail account, that's a good news. If you don't, just create it. It's very easy. Joining a group is very easy. You just need to join the group. You just tap on the join button. But if you want to create your own group, you have to set your settings, because whenever you are going to create a group, there are some specific settings which you have to set. For example, which language you want to talk in, which topic you would like to talk about, or how many people you would like to participate in the group. So there are different options which you can set as your wish. In addition to that, they also have a Facebook group. If you want to find a serious partner for yourself, what you can do, you can join the Facebook group, and where you can find your serious partner and you can communicate with each other. You can set the timing of your practice. You can improve your spoken English. You can improve a lot. If you are using a Chrome browser on your Android mobile phone, you are here to go. You can also download their application on your mobile phone. You just need to visit the website using Chrome browser, and then you can click the three dot icon which is on the top right corner, and you can see there is an option of add to desktop. Add to desktop, when you click on add to desktop, it will make an application on your home screen, and you can directly access that website with the help of that application. Isn't that easy? I think this is enough for this video. If you have any questions regarding to this video and any suggestions, please let me know. I will be glad to help you out. See you in the next video. Bye bye.